Hi everyone, so this is my first interactive video. I usually do not post anything other than travel vlogs and music videos, but I decided to start something new this time and I thought of starting with something that I really love, that would be K-drama suggestions, because I've been into K-drama since the start of 2020 and I've pretty much watched all the popular ones, which is probably not a good thing because I had my engineering entrance exams, but that's besides the point. So a lot of my friends came up to me and asked me that what should I start with, or I'm done with this drama, what should I watch now? So I thought that I could go ahead and give K-drama suggestions to those people who want to try it out. So I'll split it into three parts. In the first part, I'll be talking about those dramas which are meant for people who haven't watched K dramas yet. So if you want to enter into the K drama world, what kind of K dramas you would like to watch? And the second part would be those popular K dramas which you may have missed because at the end of 2020, all the K dramas came out at once because of COVID. So there are many good dramas that you might have missed. And the third one is for people like me who have watched way too many dramas and can't find any more dramas to watch. So I'll be suggesting less popular dramas which are also as good as the popular ones. A suggestion would be True Beauty. It is basically about a girl who does not fit the South Korean beauty standards and she is bullied because of that. But the drama shows her character development. It also has the perfect combination of humor, romance, and discusses social issues. So it is definitely worth watching. It might seem cliche at the beginning and pretty obvious, but there are a lot of things that you might not foresee. So it's definitely worth watching. Landing on You is a really popular drama, and a lot of people might have already suggested it. And I second that. It's definitely worth watching because it has a combination of humor, romance, adventure, thriller, political relations, basically everything. And also, the relationship described between the South Korean heiress and the North Korean soldier is really beautiful, and there are a lot of unexpected twists, so it was definitely one of my favorite dramas. So the next drama that I'll be suggesting is Descendants of the Sun. So this is another really popular drama that was shot in 2016, starring the famous Song Song couple. So this drama is kind of similar to Crash Landing on You, but there are a few differences. It is about the relationship between a soldier and a doctor and how they balance work life as well as their romantic relationship. So it is really wholesome and definitely worth watching. So now I'll be suggesting a few dramas on Netflix that you might have missed out. So one would be The Uncanny Counter. So it is an adaptation from a comic book and it this is mainly thriller rather than any romance or comedy. It surely has a bit of comedy but very little romance, like it's almost not there. And I watched it and it was absolutely amazing. It has some great action scenes and even the storyline is really different from your usual K dramas. So if you haven't watched it already, please do. It's there on Netflix. Drama on Netflix that you might have missed would be A Love So Beautiful. So it is an adaptation from a Chinese drama with the same name. So it describes a very cute relationship between high school students and I guess in the future as well because it's not over yet. And yeah, it's really cute and romantic and definitely worth watching. And the last one on Netflix that you might have missed is Sweet Home. So, this is a really dark drama and it's mainly thriller. It doesn't really have any other component to it. But if you're the kind of person who likes action and like a drama which involves a lot of violence, then this is definitely worth watching because I watched it and I really enjoyed it because I usually like dark stuff. I'll be suggesting a few dramas that are not as popular as dramas like It's Okay to Not Be Okay or Startup, but definitely worth watching because they are honestly amazing. I don't know why they aren't popular. So, the first one is Dr. Romantic 2. So, this is a drama that I watched and I really fell in love with it because it was so beautiful. Like, it is a medical drama and it shows everything so well, and I really enjoyed it. It also has like a little bit of romance, but it's mainly about the medical part. So, if you're interested in medical dramas, then you can go ahead and watch this one. And the last drama suggestion that I have for y'all is Miss Hammurabi. This is my number one drama because it is so good. It discusses social issues like rape, sexual abuse, drugs, and it honestly shows the court so well. It's basically about judges and how